Yo, it's your boy Drex and we're back with another video. Yo, so this one's kind of special because we have this box right here. I mean, 80% of my videos have a shoe box, so it doesn't really make this special. But what makes it special is why I'm wearing a number 2 from the current jersey of the Charlotte Hornets. It's because we have this new pair from Lamelo Ball. Actually, by the time I'm recording this, the second colorway already released, the all black with the red stripes. But this colorway right here is the first ever to release, so let's get to it. So first things first, the box is an all over print of the Galaxy. If you haven't seen the promotions and everything, Lamelo and Puma was promoting this with not from here, one of one. So basically he's saying he's an alien, he's just different, a different breed. So up front we have this stripes right here. In between is a window, so you can kind of see a blurry image of the shoes. And we got Subject 01 M.E.L.O, and then the logo of Lamelo and Puma. And on this side right here we got the Puma stripe. And there you go, let's just open the box, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, this is the other side of the see-through up front, and then we just got the pair right here. So let me just state that I actually wore this once already. The box came like this, so there's no shoe bag or anything, so it's just the shoes and this divider right here. We don't need the box no more. So obviously what you're gonna see first is just a plain solid color. So it's this kind of infrared, red, whatever, one of those shades, and that just covers the whole pair. So I'm gonna start with the obvious details, which is the one of one on the tongue, and then the Lamelo logo or Lamelo chest tattoo right here, the Puma stripe, and not from here, just below the laces. But right here, there is also written one of one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the same color, just transparent or whatnot. And on the bottom is one of the best details that I like. So it's written on the outsole, rare, R-A-R-E. Let's get to the insole, which is basically the same print with the box. It's just Galaxy, Lamelo logo, Puma logo. And then we go to the sides, which I believe I wouldn't be alone saying this. This actually looks like some older Kyrie. Like the form, because it's a mid-cut and everything, the pattern on the midsole just looks like those older Kyries with the shark teeth kind of thing. There's a pattern just above the heel and it goes around, and it's a different material. On the inside it's kind of just put above the shoe, and right here is stitched, but the pattern actually was explained as a continuation of his rocket tattoo on his leg, which I'll just put a photo right here right now. So yeah, this basically is said to be the flames of that tattoo. So most of these details are actually from his tats, like the one of one, and also this chest tattoo right here, the logo. And then on the back we got M.E.L.O with the Puma logo. And then just some crazy patterns all over the shoe. I'm not gonna show you each one because there's not much explanation to it. It just looks cool. But one thing I could really say is this pair looks better in person compared to what it was on the photos while I was waiting for them. I almost forgot about this, but there's like an eye right here under the heel, which is basically just like the Kyries, because the Kyries before, I don't know if the new Kyries also have the eye underneath, but yeah, it says one of one right here. But the Kyries have a legit like an eye kind of thing, but this one has its logo. And I also gotta say, because I already wore this once, they actually, damn, they're actually nice. They're really nice for a first pair of shoe from a rookie, you know what I'm saying? It's actually second year, but you get the jits. Also, compared to other shoes, you gotta break them down, because like when you first wear them it's actually stiff and whatnot. This one actually was just right. Like I didn't feel anything terrible, anything bad. It was just nice. It was smooth sailing. I scored like a triple-double.
Stop the cap.
Nah, I'm kidding. I probably scored one layup and bricked like 5 threes, but I'm not M.E.L.O, I'm just me. I'm not one of one. Alright guys, so before I end this video, I just want to say don't forget to leave a comment, say if you like this pair and whatnot. Also like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with my plug for this pair, Ace Zuelas. So I'll put his Facebook right now in here, like a screenshot. So shout outs to him, he helped me get my pair because this actually sold out pretty quick. Here in Australia, they were gone, especially in the Puma website. So shout outs to my brother, we will be doing a giveaway maybe in a month or more. But stay tuned to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, Munir888. I will be posting the update there. So it's goodbye for this video. I just want to say I actually did a whole unboxing, like opening the shipment, box, package, and everything, but I didn't like that video, so I reshoot it a week after that. So now I already wore them once, but hopefully you guys still liked it. Peace, I'm out. Wearing them again tonight, so wish me luck.